Hey guys! Today let's learn how to recover deleted photos and videos on Snapchat in the easiest way. Well, all you need to do in order for you to do this is to, before you do anything and record some photos and take some videos. Basically, you need to save them to your device. So head on over and snap a photo. As you can see here, click on Save. Automatically, it will be saved onto your device and headed over onto your gallery. As you can see here, the photo is right there. If you want this to be saved onto your Photos app, is there. So basically, if you delete your Snapchat or delete this specific photo on your Snapchat, so let's just click on the photo. Click on Delete, Delete, Snap. Yes, and then it's now deleted. You can now never regain or recover that specific photo. But since you have saved it on your device right here, it will stay there and you can still access that specific photo that you wish to use, and boom, you can now still see the photo without using any third-party applications. As long as you saved that specific photo that you have took on Snapchat onto your Photos application built into your devices. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.